Hi traders, welcome to the Ken Tank, where you'll learn how to avoid getting eaten by the sharks on Wall Street. It's always all information's for educational use only. I'm not making advice about what to buy, sell, or hold. Hello traders, this is Ken Calhoun coming at you live on Sunday, February 28th, 2016. An exciting episode of our Ken Tank this week for you. If you remember, last we left off 2 weeks ago, I said we'd look for a bounce in DUST, D-U-S-T, if it's able to close this window here and come back to life over the 7. It still has not done so yet, but may well be worth paying attention to for a potential bounce because of 3 days of up high volume pivot action this past trading week. So that's one to look at for a potential pivot in DUST. Another one that my Swing Scans members got this week as one of our 14 featured charts is COH, C-O-H, the ticker. That's one of our charts for this week. Where would you trade it? We have an uptrend continuation. Where would you go long? Where makes sense to buy that? This is the type of chart we want to specialize in trading for the very strongest breakout price actions. It's got a really nice sustainable multi-week run up, so it makes sense to look at for potential long. But there's a caution sign up here, and my Swing Scans members are told what that is. However, we do want to jump on board if it does resume its uptrend. At what price point would you trade it? You make the call. One last chart to look at, also from our featured Swing Scans list, is United Airlines. All the airline stocks have been running up lately. United, Delta, Hawaiian Air, American Airline, and the rest of them. I really like this United chart because it's shown a relatively good breakout trend strength, starting to slow down its momentum the last trading week. But because it's gone from 44 to 57, for that reason, I'm interested. I'm not out. I'm going to buy this up at new highs. Where would you trade it? It makes sense to trade. It's gone from 45 to 57, so a nice 12-point run. But the question is, how could you make money from this chart? Where would be a likely sensible place to get in for a long? So those are three to keep on the radar for this upcoming week. For those of you like pivot trades for beaten down instruments, DUST is one example of one that's well worth paying attention to for potential recovery. Question mark, where would you trade it? COH, another good uptrend continuation breakout runner. If it's able to continue its upward trajectory, makes sense for a trade. Where would you look for a long in that? And United Airlines, taking off nicely, continues its run up. We'll see if this is the end, and for that reason I'm out, or does it continue to run on up? And we want to make a shark-sized bite and price action in United. So you make the call, and I'll see you in our next episode coming up soon. You may have seen me live in Las Vegas with all my traders in these big seminars, well, 40, 50 people seminars. You may have seen me in stocks and commodities. You may have seen me in CBS Market Watch. Paching! You may have seen me as a featured speaker in the premium paid events at the Traders Expo.